Hey, bud. He's got it out again.
You're the star of the show.
Oh dear. No, shush. I loved that Austrian evening last night. It was.
You were dancing a good one last night.
I mean,
a sample of you dancing for the camera?
Yeah, sometimes I think, yeah, I should have been born in Austria. Do you know what I mean? It just ticks all my boxes.
Yeah.
I mean, the Oompa Loompa music,
Yeah, the music in that bar, honestly, just...
accordion playing,
soul,
the
doesn't
food.
It just speaks
I think
about
they
the
just
soul.
have they have quite a fun spirit. You know?
Yeah, I think so. Did anyone get a video of me on the accordion?
Yeah.
All right, yeah.
Everyone.
I've always
they
wanted to play.
enjoyed
Come on, James!
Oh!
Is that the Jaws thing?
1, 2, 3.
I was just trying to do my jacket up and somebody put it on wrong.
Can't get the staff these
Yeah,
days.
get this staff, can you?
What's your favourite thing about taking kids on the mountain on ski trips?
Probably seeing them get the opportunity to do something that they never would have done otherwise, or ever will again sometimes. It's just great to see them on the slopes, just having new experiences.
It's a place where we are device free. They get to socialise with one another. And I think that's so important to young people of today who have grown up in an era of social media and phones, and we try to avoid that. And I think actually just being out in the fresh air in this wonderful place with their friends and experiencing, for most of them, something that they've never ever done before in a country they've never been to. Some children have never been out of the county of Hampshire with us, and yet we bring them to somewhere like this. And well, it's quite amazing what it brings to those children, and they come again and they go and tell their friends what a great time they've had.
Look at that. Got ya.
Labelled Rocket Man, and this is another one that Luke chose, so you remember that?
But this guy, as I say, he's not skied as much as any of these other guys, but he did incredibly well. And I just want to say, really proud of Jordan, your skiing has been absolutely